Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about find and search formula. There are two different purposes of search and find. Some people may be confused of the formula are the same, but it have something different. We need to understand it more clearly with search and find. Because if you understand not correct the result or when we use Excel it will be error of our result. So today we will learn it and understand it more clearly about the purpose and to see the different thing regarding on search and find formula. So please watch this video from beginning until to the end. Here, if we check about the search or find, we can see the same of formula, but it will be different in the purpose of using this function. Here, the purpose of using search function, we just looking for the letter. It is recognized both of capital or small letter. So we can find, so we can use search function to look in the word. But when we don't concern about the capital or small letter, we can use search. About find we also use for find text, but it found only exact letter. Even if it is capital or small, it's not recognized. We mean that find when we find the text of capital, we will see the result of capital only. But when we use small letter to find the text, we will recognize only the small letter only. It's just different about search. For search formula, it's not concerned about capital letter or small letter. To more understand it clearly, we can go to example. Here is our example. I just write the word of apple to Excel and hello. So I just write the formula here with search. Okay, so we find text. I can write letter E, small capital, and this word. Okay, so I just write find. So when I write find letter E, it will be seen in find the result. Here I use Control D, which means that copy exactly with the column below. So I could change here from letter E small to big, and also here. You see. For find function, we didn't recognize the letter E, but search it is recognize the letter E even it is capital or small letter. We just write more to see about it different. Okay, exactly I can find it. Sorry, we should find letter L, and then we just press here. When we write search, letter L, and here still no. But when we find, we use find L. Here, the letter L is not organized. Okay, see more example. In fact, this formula is useful for other conditions that we just check. Sometimes we just focus on exactly match, so we do fine, but when we don't concern about the letter, even though it is small letter or capital letter, we can use search. You need to focus to write about the formula to make you understand it clearly and remember all the formula in itself. If you don't practice it regularly, you might be forget or confused with the formula. Okay. You can see find formula when we write capital that don't have, it will be so value in error. So what if we change this? So we change this is C, and as you know about search, we don't care about letter capital or small. So if we find letter L, if we change, the search is still the same. Okay, it's small. In here, if we don't have the letter H, there will be not found because it's basic not have this letter. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for your watching.